Once your triangles are finished being designed and colored, you're going to submit them. So we'll do a file and export as. If you look here, it says use artboards. We want to use artboards, and we want all the artboards. Say you had 9 artboards and you only want 1, 2, and 7, so then you would put in a range there. But for here we only have 3, so we need to say all. Make sure all your graphics are inside your artboards, otherwise it is not going to show up. Let's change this to JPG. Put your first and last name, please. Underscore triangles. And then we'll say export. RGB is okay. This medium quality is okay. Screen, yes, 72, that looks good. As for the web, we'll say okay. And then you can try to find them wherever they save. So mine saved on the desktop. And let's make sure that they're there. Katrina Kopelak triangles, and the nice thing is that it labels it for you. So I've got 1, 2, and 3. So these are the files you're going to be submitting to your assignment.